we're back again, and we're here to check on our egg experiment. So far, it's been in the vinegar for about 24 hours, so just about one day. I kept it covered in my refrigerator, and what do we see that's changed? Does anybody see anything that they're observing? I can see here, I'll hold it up. So when we put the egg in originally, it was at the bottom. Now the egg is floating. The egg is floating. Does it sink or does it float? Well, an egg would normally sink, but an egg in vinegar is now floating. You'll see, if I can tip this just so, you'll see at the top there is some foamy looking stuff. And if you can see inside, there are little bubbles still all around our egg. So I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to take the egg out and rinse it off and add new vinegar into our jar. So I'm gonna pour out, get rid of that foamy stuff. We want to be gentle because I can show you the egg, the skin, that brown skin is starting to come off. So if I rinse it, the brown part of the outside of the egg, it's also starting to get softer. It's definitely softer. It's no longer hard anymore. I'm going to rinse it off. I'm going to rinse the jar and put new vinegar in the jar and put the egg in the jar, and we'll take a look at what happens as this experiment progresses. So here I go. Let me rinse the jar first. So we're seeing that an egg in water, if we had just left an egg in water, it would just stay the same. It would have, but I'm going to carefully, gently put that in, make sure the water's all out. And now I'm going to get this a little closer so hopefully you can see it. I'm going to pour new white vinegar on top. Oh, that's interesting. The egg is at the bottom. The egg is not floating. It's currently at the bottom of the jar. So we're gonna cover it up, put it back, and we're gonna see, I do see it still has bubbles all around it. We'll see what happens to our egg over the next few days. Did you try it out at your house?